guys, I got in today this kit for horizontal balusters. So it is a black matte finish and it does come in a 5-pack to be able to install on your indoor home staircase. It is a matte color, so it has a really nice like modern look for an interior option. I'll give you a close-up view of the color. Just a really nice, clean, slick feature to be able to add to your interior area. Installation is really easy. The kit also does come with a drill bit piece needed for the install. So you'll just use that drill bit to be able to help install it into your indoor staircase. The end pieces are just open and then they attach to any stud that you would be using for the balusters. So if you're looking for a nice clean baluster option, I would definitely recommend this black matte color. Just super easy to be able to clean, super easy to be able to install. It comes with the tool that is needed to be able to install as well. They are 1 millimeter for thickness, which makes it nice to make sure that they don't like bend or break too easily for you. So if you're looking for a new kit for your staircase, I recommend these ones. I also do want to mention that these horizontal balusters are in iron material, so they are very good quality and will be durable and hold up for you. And then I just want to show you just a closer up bit of the drill bit for installation. So this is what you would use to be able to install it on your staircase.